Have you ever pondered on the power of dreams and how they can change the course of life? It's fascinating, isn't it? One such intriguing tale is that of Prophet Yusuf, a story of envy, betrayal, wisdom, and ultimately forgiveness. Prophet Yusuf, a son of Prophet Yaqub, was his father's favorite amongst 12 sons. This favoritism sparked jealousy amongst his brothers, leading them down a path of deceit. They cast Yusuf into a well and sold him into slavery, an act that would set the stage for his extraordinary journey. His journey led him to Egypt, where he found himself in the service of Potiphar, a man of considerable standing. Yusuf's virtuous nature and intellect didn't go unnoticed. However, a false accusation from Potiphar's wife landed him in prison, a place where his unique gift would start to shine. In the gloomy confines of the prison, Yusuf's ability to interpret dreams came to light. Two inmates sought his wisdom, and he accurately deciphered their dreams. One of these inmates, later released and serving as a confidant to the pharaoh, remembered Yusuf when the pharaoh had a troublesome dream of his own. The pharaoh's dream, featuring 7 fat cows being devoured by 7 lean ones, was a prediction of a 7-year famine. Yusuf, interpreting this dream, suggested storing surplus grain during the years of plenty. His wisdom earned him a position of high authority under the pharaoh. In a twist of fate, his brothers, unaware of his identity, came to Egypt seeking food during the famine. A roller coaster of emotions ensued, culminating in Yusuf revealing his identity and forgiving his brothers, bringing the family back together. The story of Prophet Yusuf is an epic tale, a saga that spans years and continents, with lessons about patience, forgiveness, and divine guidance. It teaches us that no matter the trials and tribulations, maintaining faith and patience can lead to redemption and reunification. It's a reminder that dreams, coupled with wisdom, can change the course of history.